In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of Google Play Store on an Android phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Unfortunately, guys, Play Store doesn't have its own logout feature, so to log out of Google Play Store, we need to head over to Settings. The easiest way to do so is just swipe down on your home screen and then tap at Gear. On Settings, scroll down until you find Accounts and Backup, then tap at Manage Accounts, and then search for your Google account in that list. All you have to do now is just tap at Remove Account and then Remove Account to confirm it. It will log you out of the Google Play Store, but keep in mind that it will also log you out of all other Google services on your device, such as Google Drive, Chrome, Gmail, Google Calendar, and others. But if you want to log out of Google Play Store, that's the only way how we can do so. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.